All right. Hello, everyone. Okay, shall we begin? Okay, let's go. Okay, I've already left you all with homework. Remember now what was your homework? Yes, it was this page 100 and page 101 of your student learner's book, which must be written. The answers in your exercise book. Okay, be very honest with yourself. If you have not done this, tell the teacher in charge over them. Teacher, can you please just ask roughly who didn't do their homework? Please give them a good 5 to 10 minutes. I don't want anyone to just come to my class and just take answers. Not like that. I want to at least try. Okay, teachers, you can pause this video if let's say they need time. Okay, they don't need time. If everyone is okay, I'll start off. Okay. Okay, class. I want everyone to take out their highlighters or markers or ruler, anything you want to use to highlight. Okay, after this, I want to just continue highlighting all the important parts of this paragraph. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's read together. The discovery of vitamin C. James Lind was a Scottish doctor who lived 300 years ago. Wow, that's a long time. A sea captain from that time wrote that on a long sea voyage, 380 sailors out of 510 had died of a disease called scurvy. Okay. The sailors with scurvy got sores on their bodies. They also had bleeding gums and their teeth fell out. Okay, now I want you to highlight sailors with scurvy got sores on their bodies. Highlight sailors with scurvy got sores on their body. Want you to highlight bleeding gums, highlight bleeding gums, highlight teeth fell out, highlight teeth fell out. So from here, you know that whoever of the sailors got scurvy, they had sores, they had bleeding gums, and they had their teeth fell out. Easy, straightforward. Okay, let's continue. No one knew why the sailors got the disease or how to prevent or how to cure it. Okay, so no one knows. Okay, some doctors believe that scurvy was caused by food that wasn't properly digested, or maybe bad weather, or maybe too much hard work and living in damp conditions. Okay, now I want you to highlight the word damp. Okay, highlight the word damp. Okay, for those who have no clue what does it mean by damp, damp means moist. You take a pen or a pencil, write the word moist. 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 So that means like there's no barely sunlight. So it's always like, you can grow molds or fungus through it. Okay. Okay, let's continue. James Lind wanted to find out more about scurvy. He read medical reports to find as much as information as he could about the disease. He also carried out an investigation. He tested 6 different treatments on 12 sailors who had scurvy. Okay, I want you to highlight. He tested 6 different treatments on 12 sailors who had scurvy. Highlight. He tested 6 different treatments on 12 sailors who had scurvy. Okay. Each day, 2 sailors were given an apple drink. 2 had seawater and another 2 had mixture of garlic, mustard, and dried radish root. Okay. Another group of 2 were given vinegar. 2 were given weak sulfuric acid, and last 2 ate orange and lemon. So basically, they had about 12 people. They divided each 12 into two. So there's 6 different things that the doctor gave them to try, which was number 1, apple drink. Highlight the word apple drink. Okay. Then next will be sea water. So highlight the word sea water. Okay. Next, the next pair was given garlic, mustard, and dried radish root. Highlight garlic, mustard, and dried radish root. Okay. All right, this one. I wanted to highlight vinegar. That's interesting. Okay. Then also highlight weak sulfuric acid. The last but not least, highlight oranges and lemons. Highlight oranges and lemons. Okay, now, shall we? Okay, wait, let me clear my annotations. Okay, these are Lynn's results after 14 days. Okay, as you can see, there's only some improvement whenever you drink apple drink. Okay, now the continuation. Already we highlighters. Lin had discovered a cure for scurvy, but he did not know why it worked. It was only in the 1930s that scientists discovered from their experiments which substance in fruit and vegetables prevents and cures scurvy. They are called the substance vitamin C. Okay. I want you to highlight substance vitamin C. Highlight substance vitamin C. Okay. So now anything that has vitamin C is actually good for scurvy. Okay. Recap. What are the three main symptoms of scurvy? I think I already asked you to highlight, you better remember. Okay, good. Sailors, scurvy gets sores in the body. Number two, bleeding gums and their teeth fell out. Okay, let's try to answer these questions. Okay, here we go. Okay, now question number one. What are the effects of scurvy on the body? So the effects means like what happens if you have scurvy on the body. So number one, scurvy causes sores, bleeding gums, and make the teeth fall out. So remember that three. Okay, remember that three. Because, well, it's important. I give you 1 minute on this, okay? Okay, let's go on to the next part. Number two, why did doctors long ago think caused scurvy? So basically, they are asking, what do you think doctors thought in that times that what had caused scurvy? Okay, so the answer is they thought it was caused by food that wasn't properly digested, bad water, too much hard work, or living in damp conditions. Okay, damp conditions again, what does it mean? Good, moist. Okay, now I'll wait for you 1 minute. Okay, you can take the answers or you can check the answers. Okay, shall we proceed to number three? Number three, how did James Lin find out about scurvy? Okay, the answer is because he read a medical paper or report and carried out an investigation on sailors who had scurvy. Okay, this is the answer. I'll give you 1 minute on this. Okay, let's continue to question number four. Which was the best treatment for scurvy in Lin's investigation, and how do you know this? Okay, now, number four. Eating oranges and lemons was the best treatment because the sailors who had this treatment had no more signs of scurvy. Okay, why eating oranges and lemon is because even apple juice has vitamin C. It's similar to oranges and lemon. Thus, this is why this is the answer. Okay, I'm going to give you 1 minute on this. Okay, you can take your time. Okay, shall we discuss question number five? You all ready? Okay, let's go. Question number five. Why do you think the sailors who had apple drink showed some improvement? Okay, the answer is there was some vitamin C in the apple drink, but not enough to cure the scurvy. Okay, here you go. I'll give you all a minute on here. Okay. All right. Let's continue class. All right. Question number 6A. What could Lin conclude from this investigation? Basically, he could conclude that eating oranges, lemons can cure the scurvy. Good job. Sorry. And B. How has our knowledge about scurvy changed since Lin's time? Say why this happened. Okay, now scientists discovered that the substance in fruits and vegetables that cures scurvy is vitamin C. They did experiments to find out what the substance is. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes on this since this is taking a while. Okay, please write it down quickly so that we can proceed with other parts. Okay, shall we continue? Okay, let's go. If I'm moving too fast, please ask the teacher to pause this video. Okay, this is part 2. Now, I want everyone to pay attention. It looks so pretty and all that, right? But pay attention. Part 2, question 1, which is do some research from the books and internet to find out which food contain the following vitamins. I want this part 1, okay? Part 2, question 1. Find your own answers. Find your own answers. Good. Okay. All right. For question number 2. Okay. For question number 2, I'll help you. Okay. For question number 2, I want all of you to take out your exercise books. You guys are already on exercise books. Okay. Write that vitamin chart. Write that vitamin chart. Okay, and then I want you to draw this whole thing creatively. Okay, you can draw just one food item from each category. That means, let's say, for example, maybe I'll take C. C got papaya, watermelon. So you can just take papaya or watermelon, and that's enough. Okay, draw this. I'll give you a good few minutes. For teachers, if let's say they need more time, you just pause this video. I will give 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. If let's say they need more than that, you can pause this video, teachers. Okay, all right. Teachers, if let's say they need more time to draw this vitamin chart, you can just pause this video here. But if let's say they don't need any more time and if time is running out, okay, I will end the lesson here. Thank you very much, class. I'll stop sharing screen. Take good care of yourself. Bye.